Ready to become a licensed contractor in California? A lot of people think you have to study for months before you even apply. That's not the case. The smartest move is to start the process while you prepare for the exams. With Contractors Intelligence School, you can be licensed in as little as 2 to 3 months. Going to show you the entire process, step by step, to make sure you get it right the first time. The first step is to complete your application. At Contractors Intelligence School, we'll review your application and hand deliver it to the cslb, or Contractors State License Board. This way, we can verify everything is correct and get a timestamp for your records. Approximately 2 to 4 weeks later, you'll receive an acknowledgement letter from the cslb with a fee number and PIN. This is your golden ticket to check the status of your application online. Don't panic if you get a letter asking for more information or a live scan fingerprinting request. This is completely normal and means the cslb is processing your file. Just respond right away to keep things moving. While your application is being processed, it's time to study. Our courses are designed to prepare you for both the law and business exam and your specific trade exam. We offer comprehensive online courses, home study, and live classes to fit your schedule. Our materials are streamlined and engaging, not just boring photocopies of code books. We're so confident in our program that 98% of our students pass on their first try, and we back it with a 100% pass exam money-back guarantee. On test day, arrive early with a valid photo ID and your exam notice. The law and business exam has about 115 questions, and you'll have 3.5 hours. If you also have a trade exam, it's about 115 questions with another 3.5 hours. You'll know your results immediately. Congratulations, you've passed. The cslb will give you a handout with the final steps. This includes submitting the initial license fee, getting a contractor's bond, securing workers' compensation insurance, completing your fingerprinting if you haven't yet, and taking a simple, open book asbestos exam. Don't let these final details slow you down. Our team can connect you with our sister company, Blvd Insurance Agency, to handle your bonding and insurance needs quickly. From application to exam, we've got you covered. If you're ready to get licensed and build your future, don't wait.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more simple licensing tips.